Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! How's everybody doing today? Well, I'm doing great. It is Friday and almost weekend, and oh my goodness, I've got parties this weekend. Yes, parties. Oh, and lots of cake. Oh gosh, the last 2 days I've been surrounded by cakes, and of course I could not resist. Cake and ice cream, my biggest weakness. Oh. I love cakes. So, yes, I have been indulging in cake, but I only had one piece of cake, and I had 3 scoops of ice cream. So I'm not feeling too bad, but oh, it's so delicious. And today I'm going to also indulge in some cake and ice cream. Why the heck not? I mean, you know what? Birthdays come around once a year. And so, okay, my kids' birthday parties, it is what it is. Yes, I love cake and ice cream. Oh. I remember back in the days, I was telling my kids, I used to, when I was still living in the States, I would go to grocery store, and back in the days it was Giant Food Store. If anybody knows what I'm talking about, please let me know in the comments. I don't even know if Giant Food Stores still exist. Yeah, that was back in the 90s. However, they always had like a section like in their bakery section. And I mean, I believe it's still like that today. Where they'll have like, they'll sell like cakes and all these delicious bakery products. Oh, it's so delicious. Cinnamon buns, you name it. And so because I'm a big cake fan, yes, I used to buy a little piece of cake and just eat it. That was my dessert. Oh, that just shows you how much I love cakes. I mean, between cake and donuts, cake. I love cake. I mean, I can literally eat a cake by myself. I mean, I used to, I don't do that anymore, but when I used to make a cake, I used to always eat the batter, the cake batter. Oh, so delicious. But now I'm different. I mean, my taste buds have changed, so I don't indulge so much in it. I mean, I can only handle one piece of cake a day because otherwise I start feeling sick. It's just too much. But back in the days, I used to be able to eat like a lot of cake and ice cream. Oh. For my birthday, I used to always get the cake ice cream. Ice cream cakes, that's what they were called, ice cream cakes. So my daughter was like, what is that? And I was like, yeah, it's the cake with the ice cream in the middle filling. Or the ice, it was something like that, to that effect. I don't remember exactly, but that was like my highlight. One of the highlights for my birthday was ice cream cakes. One day I'm going to attempt to make it. And like I said, there's this new show, I talked about it the other day. There's this new show out on Netflix called Is It Cake? And oh, it's so cute. And I'm like thinking all that cake that goes to waste. Oh man, that's torture. All those different cakes. I could not be on a show like that because I would literally have to try every piece of cake. A cake dream. Yes, however, I'm going to get started in doing my fitness. This is day 25 in my fitness journey. 25 days of doing fitness. Not fitness straight, but 25 days that I've been, being consistent with doing my fitness. And I have not been on that scale, and I'm definitely not going to go on the scale this weekend because, like I said, I will be indulging in cake and ice cream. Yes. And all types of candies. I love gummy bears too, so I'm not going to have a bad feeling about that. But however, I will be hitting the gym. So, and no, I will not be on that scale. So, it is what it is. Yeah, in general, what's been going on? Yes, my daughter had a birthday, and yeah, I didn't have all her presents together, and so yesterday I went out and got the rest of her presents, and she was so happy. I love that. So happy. Birthdays are great. They really are. It's a day where you really feel special, and so yeah, I enjoy birthdays. I like doing the decorations. It's a tradition in our family that on birthdays, the night before, we decorate really nice and make sure that the balloons and everything is there. Balloons, decorations just really makes a person feel special. So that is really tradition. And so when I'm doing my decorations the night before the birthday, I mean, I'm usually up to midnight, just blowing up balloons and decorating and doing the cake. And I don't know, for some reason I can never get done early. I'm usually always in the bed by midnight or a little after midnight. So yeah, it's always a lot of work. And so we usually have 2 days that we celebrate the birthday: the day of the birthday, and then the next day is usually the party. But that's usually for the kids. For the adults, or for me, it's different. I celebrate my birthday on that day, and that's it. Yeah. Anyway, so I'm gonna mosey on into the gym and get this party started. And yeah, guys, so if it's your birthday today, happy birthday. Yes, happy birthday. And yeah, drop your comments below. I would love to hear how you all like to celebrate your birthday or others' birthday, or people you love, your loved ones. Do you also like to do a lot of decorations? Do you go out to eat? What's your tradition? Excuse me. What is your tradition? What do you guys do to make that person feel special, or to make yourself feel special? I would love to know. Yeah, so I'm going to get started. And yeah, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more from me, subscribe. And yeah, don't go nowhere. I'm going to get started now. Bye.